Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the authenticator or two-factor authentication issue on the Snapchat app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone and go to the search bar. Type Snapchat and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. This step is very important because many authentication issues happen due to outdated app versions. Once you've updated the app, open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down a little until you find the two-factor authentication option and tap on it. Here you'll see different methods to secure your account. You can choose the authentication method you prefer. For this tutorial, I'll choose the text message option. After selecting it, simply enter your phone number. Snapchat will send you a verification code, OTP, to that number. Just type the code into the app to confirm. Once the verification is complete, your two-factor authentication will be successfully enabled, and your account will be more secure. And that's it. That's how you can fix and enable the authenticator on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.